Mr. Tilford R. Ted Richardson has been selected as a 2015 recipient of the Civil Engineering Career Achievement Award by the UK Civil Engineering Industry Advisory Committee and the UK Department of Civil Engineering. Ted was born on January 21, 1940, to Tilford C. and Mabel Kelly Richardson, the youngest of 10 children. He was raised in rural Kenton County and graduated from Simon Kenton High School in 1958. He was chosen as a National Merit Scholarship finalist. Ted graduated from the University of Kentucky with a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering in 1962. He began his undergraduate studies with a scholarship provided by the Kentucky Highway Contractors Association. During his college years, he was employed part-time by the Kentucky Department of Natural Resources Small Lakes Division under Professor George Land. In addition, he was married to Deanna Blackburn in 1960. Deanna worked as secretary to the University of Kentucky Dean of Women. They have 3 children, Ann Elizabeth, John Noble, and Laura Kelly. In the fall of 1962, Ted received a U.S. Public Health Service Fellowship and completed his Master of Science in Sanitary Engineering in 1963 from the University of Kentucky. He was elected to Tau Beta Pi, the Engineering Honor Society, and to Chi Epsilon, the Civil Engineering Honor Society, where he served as president. Upon graduation, he was employed by Aeroflow Corporation as an environmental engineer. Later, he became director of marketing and a partner in that corporation. Aeroflow Corporation merged with Clow Corporation of Chicago. In 1969, he became principal and founder of Cardinal Engineering Corporation and Cardinal Laboratories with Frank Rothfuss. Cardinal Engineering was involved in designing and constructing civil and environmental engineering projects, including water and sewer lines, treatment facilities, land planning and development, testing and consulting in the areas of hazardous materials, water, and air and solid wastes. Ted has served on several boards and organizations. He was also involved in the community and with other businesses in the greater Cincinnati area. Ted is a 12-year member of the Kentucky Environmental Quality Commission, 30-year member of the National Water Pollution Control Federation, member of the National Environmental Health Association, 50-year member of the National Society of Professional Engineers, and served on its board of directors in 1969-70. 50-year member of the Kentucky Society of Professional Engineers, where he served as state chairman of the Engineers in Industry Group in 1968 and state vice president in 1976. He was a member of the Kentucky Board of Registration of Professional Engineers and Land Surveyors from 1997 to 2001 and served as chairman in 2000. Ted also received many recognitions over the years: selected Outstanding Young Engineer in Kentucky in 1974, selected Outstanding Kentucky Engineer in Industry in 1975, and selected as Northern Kentucky Professional of the Year in 1984. Ted has served his community as a member of the Board of Directors for the First National Bank of Covington from 1972 to 1978, member of the Board of Directors for First Federal Savings Bank in Covington from 1976 to 94, and he also served a term as chairman of the board, member of the Board of Directors of the Ohio River Valley Water Sanitation Commission from 1985 to 1993, member of the Greater Cincinnati International Airport Board from 1974 to 1982, and also served as chairman, member of the Northern Kentucky Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors, president of the Kentucky County J.C.'s, and he is a life member of the UK Alumni Association. For the past few years, Ted has realized his dreams to see as much of our world as possible. He has traveled to Antarctica, Australia, the South Seas Islands, South America, Europe, Africa, Russia, and more with his companion, Brenda Seltman. Mr. Tilford R. Ted Richardson, recipient of the 2015 Civil Engineering Career Achievement Award.